open your desired browser. Now go to FileZilla official website, now download latest version. After finishing downloading, open your downloads folder. Run the setup file as administrator. Go through the default installation process. Now close it, it will automatically run FileZilla Server interface. Now click on Connect to FileZilla FTP Server button. Now click on OK and then Yes button. Now click Ctrl+F to configure FileZilla Server. Then go to Passive Mode option. Now set custom port range from 50,000 to 51,000. Now apply this configuration and close it. Let's open PowerShell as administrator. Now paste this command and press enter. Now your FileZilla server is ready. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.